In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix common search problems you're experiencing on your Acer desktop, tablet, or laptop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best match, come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select where it says additional troubleshooters. And then scrolling down underneath Find and Fix Other Problems, scroll down and select Search and Indexing, Find and Fix Problems of Windows Search. Go ahead and run the troubleshooter for that. And then follow through with the on-screen prompts, selecting the most applicable options that best fit your particular issue here. You may have to initiate some of this as an administrator, as you just saw, and then hopefully the problem will resolve itself. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.